Hey devs, ever heard of CI/CD pipelines? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. So, what is CI/CD pipelines? CI/CD equals to continuous integration or continuous deployment or delivery. It automates testing and deployment so developers can release code faster with fewer bugs. So, let's get into how it works. First, developers pushes code to the GitHub or GitLab. Then CA comes to the picture, runs tests. Then CD comes to the picture, deploys the app. All these steps consist of committing change, triggering build, notify of build outcome, runs test, notify of test outcome, deliver build to the staging, and deploy to the production. So what are the proper tools for these steps? Proper tools are Jenkins, GitHub Actions, Dockers, and Kubernetes. So on the final note, CI/CD saves time, reduces errors, and boosts productivity. Thank you. Have a nice day.